Well, we had a tree branch fall in the house, hit the roof, hit the front siding, busted one of the windows out. So we called Peter up. He gave us an estimate on the roof, siding. Then we decided to maybe throw in a little bit of our money, and we put on soffit, fascia, all new gutters.
When he came the first day and we showed him the house, and I told him exactly what I was looking for. I wanted the board and batten, and he knew instantly exactly the look I was looking for and just ran with it. When I saw it, like just in the first phase of the siding going up, I wanted to cry. It was just so beautiful. We had an old farmhouse, and he just brought it back to life. Him and the crews, all the guys were so wonderful.
We get so many compliments from people that we know driving by. Actually, one of my buddies was over here yesterday and said how nice it looked, and he's a builder.
The process was just really so carefree from the time Peter got here till the time it was done. He took care of every little detail, any little add-ons we wanted. He was right on it, and the guys were just amazing, and the girls in the office, everything that we needed, we got instantly.
He helped us out with the insurance company when the process first started, which was very nice because we didn't know where to go or what to do. You know, we always wanted a porch on the front of the house, and he kind of told us what to do, and it came out beautifully. Everything did. And he put gutter guards in the gutters for me, so I don't have to climb up there anymore, which was awesome.